So this is the results of the dishwasher, the mini dishwasher I got. Look. Look how clean this is. Very clean. Very impressed with this. My hands were a bit bad from washing. Doing loads of cleaning, I mean. I'm washing my hands. So they're a bit cut at the moment, so that's why I'm not showing them. But look. I'm very pleased. I didn't think it would get them that clean, to be honest. But look. Wow. And they all dried. It literally flipped open and dried them all within 29 minutes. Took a while to get it going though. You have to put a lot of water in there if you're not using the hose. And salt in there. So yeah.